Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you step by step how to add a lightbox to your website project on Wix. So let's get into this. In the first step, log into your Wix account, launch the Wix website editor and the website you would like to work on. And what you want to do next, guys, is click on that plus icon here at the top of the left sidebar, and from the drop-down menu, select Interactive, that option here. And here to the right, you will see a selection of available lightboxes like welcome lightboxes, subscribe, promotion, contact. So for demonstration purposes, I will go with a lightbox like that one here. So click on it to add it to your website project. After that, start editing and customizing your lightbox. For example, you can add videos by clicking on that preview video here and by clicking on change video here. For example, Wix gives you the opportunity to embed videos from external video streaming platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or Vimeo, or to upload your own videos. You can do that by clicking on change video here and by uploading videos from your device to your Wix media library. Then guys, you can customize your lightbox by clicking on that pencil icon here, change its overall design, use a background image or photo, change the alignment, the colors, the fonts, play around and adjust everything according to your own imagination and taste. And lastly guys, I would also head over to your lightbox settings. You can do that by clicking on that gear icon here. Just make sure that your lightbox is selected and not any of its elements. And guys, here in your lightbox settings, you can, for example, assign a lightbox name, or for example, decide whether you would like your lightbox to display automatically on pages by switching from yes to no, from no to yes. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you add lightboxes to your Wix website. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.